Hi everyone, welcome to my class Maths with Victor. Kindly follow, like and share my Facebook page to all your friends and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can enjoy my maths contents. Today, we want to apply our knowledge of the laws of indices to simplify this expression square root of 32x to the power of 3 y to the power of minus 2 all over 2 x to the power of 5 y to the power of minus 4. So we can easily simplify this expression by applying the laws of indices. So we start, and the first thing I want you to notice is that 2 is a factor of 32. What that means is that 2 can divide 32 without any remainder. And when that happens, 2 divide 2, 1, 2 divide 32, 16. So we can write out the expression as square root of 16 x raised to the power 3 y raised to the power minus 2 all over x to the power of 5 y to the power of minus 4. We can continue from here. In indices, we can always interchange numerators and denominators. We can make a denominator to become a numerator. We can also make a numerator to become a denominator. But when that happens, we must interchange the sign of the power of the quantity. What that means is that as a denominator, I can move x to the power of 5 to become a numerator, but the power will change from 5 to minus 5. I can also move y to the power of minus 4 as a denominator to become a numerator, but the power will change from minus 4 to plus 4. I talked about this in the law of indices that has to do with negative powers. So when that happens, I have square root of 16 s raised to the power of 3. I will move x to the power of 5 from denominator to numerator. It becomes x to the power of minus 5. The sign changed from plus to minus. I still have as a numerator y to the power of minus 2. I can also move y to the power of minus 4 to become a numerator. It becomes y to the power of 4. The sign changed from minus to plus. So this is where we are. We can continue simplifying. So here, this is multiplying this is multiplying this. So we can apply the law of multiplication by adding the powers. So when that happens, I have square root of 16. I'll apply the law of multiplication or the law of addition of powers here. And that will give me x to the power of 3 plus minus 5. Then I apply the same law here, y to the power of minus 2 plus 4. So I can simplify this as square root of 16x to the power of 3 plus minus 5. Plus minus is minus. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Minus 2. And then I have y to the power of minus 2 plus 4 is 2. So looking at this expression, we can find the square root of this, the square root of this, the square root of this, because they are all perfect squares. But before that, like I've explained here, this is a negative power, so I can make it to be a denominator, and the power changes to positive. And when I do that, I have square root of 16 y squared. Y was still where it was. Then s to the power of minus 2 comes down, it becomes s to the power of 2. The sign changed from minus to plus. So this is where we are. So we can find the square root of all the quantities here. Square root of 16 gives me 4. Square root of y squared gives me y. Over square root of x squared gives me x. This is the final answer. That means we can simplify this expression by applying the knowledge of the laws of indices. And at the end of the day, this is the simplest form of this expression. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and invite your friends to enjoy my contents. You're welcome.